Okay, go ahead. Can you say hi to them?
Hi. And you guys. Hi. I'm opening your present first.
This is for Aunt Diane and Uncle Johnny, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
What is it?
Whoa.
Oh no.
What is it?
Opie, you're blocking the way, mister.
Super Stadium!
What is it?
Baseball game.
Whoa!
I'm amazed they still make them.
What do you say?
Thank you.
What do you tell them? Is that the coolest thing?
Yeah.
We'll open it in a little bit, but it looks like you get to play baseball with little guys and you get to use marbles and stuff to...
Cool.
It looks really cool. Can you tell them a big giant thank you?
Thank you.
What else? Did you say hug? Aw. We love you guys. Thank you.
He's tired. He seems out of it.